The Modbus communication module is designed to connect the energy circuit breaker to a communication bus bar, which is compatible with Modbus RTU. There are two versions, with or without inputs or outputs. You can modify the Modbus parameters with the adjustment dials on the front. With this selector switch, you can activate or deactivate the 120 ohms end-of-line resistor. The CIP adapter must be connected from the top of the communication module to one of the CIP connectors inside the energy circuit breaker. The communication module is supplied with an accessory for assembling on the circuit breaker. It can also be DIN-rail mounted. On the top there are two 24 volts direct current input contacts. On the bottom, there are two 24-48 volts direct current output contacts. These two RJ45 terminals are used to connect a Modbus cable, and to retransfer the Modbus link to another communication module. Finally, the communication module must be connected to this 24 volts direct current terminal. The AXAL Energy Auxiliary has two versions, with or without AX and AL pre-wired contacts. The cables are used to connect these contacts outside the circuit breaker. The AXAL Energy Auxiliary must be correctly fixed inside the circuit breaker. It should also be connected to the ACP connector.